Did you know there's an invisible form of pollution that costs the US $200 billion every year?
Nitrogen from vehicle emissions, farming, fertilizing your lawn, sewage, and other human activities ends up in water, where it causes algae blooms, destroys fisheries and marine habitats, gets into tap water, and creates other serious problems.
Communities like Tampa Bay have had success reducing bigger sources, but now need to tackle thousands of smaller ones. Take nitrogen fertilizer. It increases crop yields, and that means more economic growth. But overuse has unintended consequences. Destroyed fisheries and poor health undermine a healthy economy. We can start by bringing affected people into the decision-making process.
You have to talk about nitrogen in terms that people really care about.
BlueGAP is working to bridge upstream and downstream communities, amplifying the voices of community champions like Hillary Van Dyke. They funded and produced her documentary, A Splash of Color Getting Black in the Water.
Historically, Black people have been excluded from fully participating in water activities. When people use aquatic spaces, they actually care about what happens to them.
BlueGAP partner, the Tampa Bay Estuary Program, is also helping her put on community events like this one, where families are helping rebuild oyster habitats.
Not only are we helping improve water quality, we're also exposing people to this idea that they can be part of a recovery success story. We're building relationships with the Virgin Islands and with Iowa to pass on some of those lessons that we learned about how to tell the stories.
Data is another piece of the puzzle.
BlueGAP collects data that's currently scattered across multiple sources into a single website that anyone can access to learn about how nitrogen pollution affects their area. We're already hard at work in Tampa Bay, Iowa, and the US Virgin Islands. And we're excited to add more watersheds across the country and the world very soon.